Guys, that Joe, my husband, gave me so much grief about buying sleds like 2 years ago that have sat in our garage. But today's the day, right? Who's laughing now?
Yeah, that's right. I mean, some areas up there in Clark County are really getting a lot of snow right now, just seeing that falling and sticking there. I think Steve Pierce, who's been up there all morning and giving us some updates too, has said about 4 inches in his neighborhood out towards the Salmon Creek Ridgefield area. So good to see that snow on the way. We've been seeing some relentless snow as well over downtown Portland, and these flakes also a little bit bigger. We're not seeing that icing that we saw yesterday. We're transitioning more to some of these wet flakes. I still see light snow as we head into our afternoon. Snow showers through the early evening. A chance we get a bit of a wintry mix too as some warmer air loft works in across the city here. But I think by late tonight through early tomorrow morning, we transition back to heavy snow showers for much of Portland and northward. Again, some cities here going into our morning tomorrow could stack up a lot of snowfall. So let's talk about our satellite radar here. You can see this big line, this boundary of that freezing rain being caught on our radar. Again, further south of Portland, right out towards Wilsonville and southward, a good chance we stick with just freezing rain and mixed precipitation. Also big concerns for icing going into tonight as heavy moisture rolls in. Again, around Portland, we'll still see that boundary line. I see some areas on the west sides, even through the heart of downtown, seeing a wintry mix going into tonight. But a lot of the region here at the airport and further north, we'll see a lot of snow as we head our way into our morning tomorrow. There's a beautiful low system swirling away, but we'll tap into this moisture here in atmospheric river. That'll bring us quite a bit of moisture as we head our way into Saturday. And again, that's going to allow for inches stacking up around the city here. I'll show you totals in a few moments, but temperatures at the surface are still well below freezing. We'll keep this cold pocket in place. It's just this warmer patch of air aloft will start to work in over this dome here of cold air. So a chance we do see that line, that boundary around Portland where we could get some wintry mix of freezing rain, possibly some sleet here going into our evening. But much of Portland and further north into southwest Washington, also out towards the gorge and east side neighborhoods around Portland, likely getting a lot of snow heading into tonight. So here's our FUTURECAST again. A lot of moisture rolls in as we head towards this evening time. And again, that snow rain line here, it will be hard to really forecast, but we're expecting it to roll right through Portland here. So areas in south and southwest Portland, I see more of that freezing rain mix, but cities towards the east and up north again, likely seeing all snowfall. We get a lot of moisture rolling through even into Saturday, and as we cool down just slightly overnight, build up that surface layer here of some colder temperatures, I see a lot of snow falling and sticking around the city here. We do see that moisture starting to taper off by the end of Saturday, so we move more into showers by lunchtime tomorrow, but a good amount of snow here expected. Take a look at our snow totals forecast. So through the rest of this evening and afternoon, possibly 1 to 2 more inches, but anytime this evening through the overnight hours into Friday morning, that's when we pile on the snow here. Take a look at this forecast. I do see a good amount of snow, possibly around 2 to 6 inches for central Portland and northward, even out towards Hillsborough, maybe 2 to 4 inches here up north out towards Scappoose, closer to 6+ inches. In some areas up to Ridgefield and southwest Washington, possibly closer to 6 to 10 inches. Also the east sides of Portland, closer to 6 to 12 inches. So again, this is going to be a big system that rolls in. Again, also concerns about icing too. Take a look at this set of Almsville from earlier this morning. Those icicles off the lamp there, and you can see that tree in the background is just coated in ice. So this is the result of freezing rain and what we're expecting to see here for portions of the Central Valley. An ice storm warning for significant icing from about Wilsonville and southward down towards Eugene, mostly for the foothills of the Coast Range, but areas around Salem, Albany, and also up to Wilsonville, good chance we get that freezing rain and some heavy icing, possibly about 3/4 of an inch of ice through tonight. Again, heavy rounds of icing through tonight. So again, that's going to be very tough to travel through. I would avoid roadways, especially in the Central Valley. We could be seeing some power outages with all that ice as well. But again, in Portland, a good chance we get heavy snowfall tonight through tomorrow morning, waking up to a bunch of snow for portions of Portland, and we'll see that through Saturday morning and tapering off by the afternoon. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.